In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly sync your Google Sheets with Google Calendar using a handy tool called Sheets to GCal. This is an incredibly useful skill if you want to manage your calendar more efficiently and make sure everything is up to date with minimal effort. So let's dive right in and explore how you can get started with this process. First, you'll want to open Google Sheets. Once you're there, navigate to the top menu and click on Extensions. From the drop-down, select Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. This is where you'll find a variety of tools that can enhance the functionality of your sheets. In the search bar, type Sheets to GCal and find the add-on. Click to install it. After the installation completes, activate it by once again going to Extensions, then looking for Sheets to GCal in the list that appears. With Sheets to GCal now installed and activated, let's move on to importing your calendar. Look for the option that says Import Calendar to Sheet and click on it. You'll be prompted to select which calendar you want to import along with the date range you're interested in. With a few clicks, you'll see your calendar events neatly listed in rows within your sheet. Each row is filled with details like titles, dates, times, and descriptions of your events. Now comes one of the most powerful features of the setup. You have the ability to modify these events directly in the Google Sheet. You can update existing events by changing their times or titles, or add entirely new rows for new events you want to create. Pay attention to special columns labeled Update or Delete. Here you can mark what needs to be synced back to your calendar, whether it's an update, a new addition, or something that should be deleted. Once you're satisfied with all your edits, go back to Sheets to GCal and select Export Sheet to Calendar. Hit that confirmation button and the add-on works its magic to sync your edits with your calendar. New events will pop up, changes you've made will reflect on your schedule, and items you marked for deletion will be removed. To keep everything in sync, you have a couple of options. You can periodically re-import your calendar if you anticipate changes. For those who want an even smoother experience, consider upgrading to a plan that offers automatic sync options. It's also a good idea to double-check your time zones within the settings to ensure that your appointments don't slip through any cracks due to incorrect time settings. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively sync Google Sheets with Google Calendar using the Sheets to GCal add-on. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and click like, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.